Hello friends, welcome to the Shrakshit channel. Today's video we are going to see how to do baby potato fry. For this I have taken 250 grams of baby potatoes, ginger garlic paste, chili powder, coriander powder, salt, turmeric, 1 spoon of rice flour. I have pressured potatoes for 3 whistles and peeled out its skin. Now let's mix all these ingredients. Half spoon of turmeric, 2 spoons of chili powder, 1 spoon of coriander powder, salt as per your taste, half spoon of ginger garlic. Mix it well that all the potatoes are coated. Now add rice flour. Rice flour gives a crispy texture to these potatoes. If it is necessary, add 2 to 3 spoons of water. Mix it well and let it marinate for about 15 minutes. Take a pan, add 2 to 3 spoons of oil. Once oil is heated, add 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Now add the marinated baby potatoes. Mix it gentle. Keep your flame on medium. Close the lid and leave it for about 5 to 8 minutes. Now take out the lid. Our baby potatoes are turning crispier. Our food becomes very delicious when we are cooking in iron pan and crispier too. Now close the lid and leave it for about 3 to 5 minutes on high flame. Here our crispy baby potato is ready. Transfer to a bowl. goes delicious with dal rice, rasam rice, and curd rice. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a happy day. Don't forget